basically today we are doing something a little bit different. I am on my way to get a complete makeover on myself. As you guys can see, my hair is looking ratchet as duck because I haven't gone to Maribel in 2 weeks, and I seriously cannot go a week, the longest, without seeing Maribel because my hair will be bright yellow. Not really, but like you know, my blondies out there, you guys know, like when you're always getting your hair toned and it's always nice and icy and platinum, and you see the slightest tone of regular blonde, you're like, oh my god, my hair is yellow. I always go to Maribel because she is the best. She is the best of the best with the hair, and she always knows exactly what I want. She's just amazing. She's always on my Instagram, always tagged on my Instagram. Her name is @hairbymaribel. I'm gonna go get this mess right here done. I'm gonna get it toned, I'm gonna get it washed, and it's gonna be all nice and juicy. Maybe she's gonna give me a little bit more of a juicier trim to my hair since it is short right now. But we're gonna see what she does today. She's probably just gonna do the normal wash and tone, but I'm gonna be back to like a nice icy juicy blonde. But before I do all that, I completely forgot that right now I'm actually gonna be going to the waxing place so I can get my legs waxed, because your girl doesn't your girl sometimes forgets to shave when it's winter because I need my fur coats to stay warm. We're gonna go get waxed, and then I'm gonna get my hair done, and then after my hair I'm gonna have my tanning appointment, and I always go to the same tanning place, which is Totally Tanning. They are amazing. All of my places that I go to get everything done, I also already have my nails on. If not, I would have already had an appointment super early this morning to get my nails done. That's also like around the Orange County area. Maribel is in Whittier, La Habra, and Totally Tanning is in Orange County, and my nail place is kind of like around in the same place. She's in Fountain Valley at Black File Nails. Also, I go to Jade for my nails. They're always all tagged on my Instagram. Like literal, my whole beauty team is tagged on my Instagram at all times. Whenever you guys see me super glowy and tan, it's because I was going to Totally Tanning. Whenever you guys see my hair on fleek, it's because of Maribel. When you see my nails on fleek, it's because of Jade. It's like, it's a whole team, and I love them for it. So that's gonna be the plan today. I am severely like crunching on time. I barely have time to go get a wax, and then after I have to speed over to go get my hair done, and then I have to go get my tan done. Oh my goodness. Valentine's Day is tomorrow, so I have to get my stuff together. I need to look juicy as possible, so let's see if by tomorrow I look juicy AF. Alright, so I just finished getting my wax, and guys, let me freaking tell you, it hurt like a mother fudger. But yeah, that's the tea. It hurt very bad. Now I am running late to go get my hair appointment, so I'm just gonna speed off. And it's raining right now, so there's gonna be fat traffic, but oh, and I haven't ate yet, and it's already 2:30, so I'm gonna be hangry. Wish me luck. So here we are going into Sabino's salon. Okay guys, so I'm finally getting my hair done. You guys know that it's a big part of Valentine's Day. You have to look super poppin', you have to have amazing hair, amazing nails, makeup. So Maribel's always here to the rescue. Her Instagram will be right there, of course. We're just toning it to make it a lot ashier. How long have you been doing my hair, Maribel?
Oh my god, almost 3 years, no?
3 years?
Yes.
Yeah, it's been a long time. So
you're my ride or die now.
Oh, so just in a couple weeks, guys, I'm gonna be going back to long. I always love doing long. I like doing short just to change things up, but long is just my everything.
Her favorite. Really cool.
So just got my hair washed, about to get it dried. I got my makeup washed off. I'm so white, guys. I cannot wait to get my spray tan after. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna look nice and not look a ghost. I just got out of the salon with Maribel. She just finished. Oh my god. My camera does not want to stay. I'm gonna have to get like something to specifically be for cameras to stay in the car. Besides that, I finally got my hair toned. It's looking really good. Thank you so much to Maribel. Of course, she is like the hair god, how I told you guys. I wasn't asked for curls, but I'm kind of glad that I didn't, because I could even do that myself if I really wanted to. But the straight is always the go-to. Plus she did like a little bit of volume up here with some wispy bangs, which I really like, very pretty. I am now on my way to my appointment to get my tan done, and it says that it's gonna take me 33 minutes from here, only because there's severe traffic. If not, from Maribel's to the tanning place, it would have been only like 15 minutes, but since there's traffic right now, since it's 5:30, traffic is just bad. I still have an 8 and it's already 5:30, so I'm not very angry about it. I'll just get something after I get my tan. My tan only takes like 15 minutes to do. Okay, so I just got to Totally Tanning. It is right there in the blue, so I'm gonna go inside, and I'm not gonna take you guys inside with me just simply because it's kind of like a quick in and out process, and they do have a lot of clients. So I'm just gonna go in there and then show you guys after when I'm done. I just got my spray done about 30 minutes ago, and now I finally got something to eat. So this is what the tan is looking like right now. You can see it mostly on my neck. You can't really see it on my face just yet, or my hands, just because it's developing. But my neck, guys, you can see it right away, and I'm so excited because I can tell I'm gonna be very, very tan. So I'm gonna call it a night, and I'm just gonna go to sleep, wake up super tan, fabulous hair, and I will have you guys with me during the transformation. Good morning, everyone. So I am tan, as you guys can see. Whoa, oh my god, my hands look so tan. They look orange right now. I promise they're not. It's just the lighting. My face is lighter because I had to scrub it. Of course, I exfoliate it every single night. I'm about to order from Starbucks right now.
Hey, how we doing?
Hi, can I get a grande iced cinnamon shortbread latte? Can I also get caramel drizzle and whipped cream?
Of course.
And then I'll do the double smoked bacon sandwich, and that's all. Starbucks workers are so nice. So I got my tan, I took a shower like I told you guys. You guys will see later on when I have my outfit on. Another thing, I don't have my outfit yet. I do have an outfit. It's more of like a backup outfit because it's not like as fancy as I would have wanted it to be, but you know, maybe we'll make do. We'll probably makeshift something. I don't know. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be juicy today, and I'm just like really excited for today because I love Valentine's Day because I can just like do my makeup all cute. Like I'm thinking about doing my makeup similar to what I did last year because I did like this super gorgeous like cut crease pink little thing, and then I'm gonna do like little jewels. I have my pupper right here. He's all, oh look. How you doing, papacito? His name's Armani, for those of you that don't know. I was planning to do the furry friend tag with him. I am going to Dubai next week. I don't know how to feel because it's gonna be like almost a whole day that I'm flying. For those of you that don't know, I can't stay still in a seat. But I'm gonna be going with Carla, one of my good friends. I'm excited. It's gonna be real fun. I'm gonna put you guys down here while I pay because I get shy.
Hey there.
Hi.
Here's your miss.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Ooh, maybe I should put away my drink before I crash. I'm gonna head over here so I can get my life together and get directions. So I did change my order that I get from Starbucks now. This is the grande iced cinnamon shortbread latte with caramel drizzle and added whipped cream. So this is super juicy, guys. But I always get the double smoked bacon sandwich from Starbucks. Ooh, and let's just go. Heading back home. Okay, I am now home, and this is what we're working with. Now time to go find my outfit. So these are some of the pieces that I just got in from companies. I got this stuff from Windsor, this stuff from Beach Bunny. Obviously I'm not gonna wear a bikini, right? But I also got some things from Meshki. So the thing that I was planning on wearing, oh my gosh, wait, I actually forgot that I have this pink little dress right here. So there's this Amber collection. Shout out to my girl Amber. She has a collection with Meshki. I feel like it's not Valentine's Day. I feel like this is more of like, you know, Valentine's Day Eve, maybe for like a brunch. But then here we also have this little set that's also very sexy. It's just like a little mini skirt and a long sleeve top to go with it. So I feel like this isn't as fancy as I would like it to be, but we're gonna try on both. We will see. I don't really know. Holy, oh my gosh, guys. So I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of my outfit. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you guys once everything's all done and decided on. Hi, Armani. I need to go get ready. I need to do my face, and we will be back with the whole outfit. Oh my god. So this is what I'm working with right now. I have my Morphe palette. I'm going to be using these two colors and the white, I'm pretty sure. Something similar to my last Valentine's Day look. And these lashes by K-Minx. These are the NY212s. And this baby pink glitter and a white Kat Von D concealer. So let's see what magic we can turn out with this. Also, I do have some Swarovski crystal just in case I want to extra it up. Let's freaking do this. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot I need to whiten my teeth. Okay, now on to makeup, finally. Alright guys, so after a full 24 hours of doing a Valentine's Day makeover, I'm exhausted, but I'm glad that everything has come together. So this is the dress that I went with. I got this dress actually custom made for my birthday last year and I never ended up wearing it, so I will be linking the girl's Instagram in my description. Very sparkly and pretty. There's Armani. And for my makeup, I went a little bit extra, of course. On Valentine's Day, you have to go super extra. So I just went ahead and put a Swarovski crystal in my eye. And these lashes are just delicious. And we're about to be really late to dinner, so I'll show you guys more there. I really had such a fun 24 hours getting ready, and also this is what I got for Valentine's Day. I got a cute little card, some chocolates and some roses, and I also went to dinner, so that was super fun. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.